Which is good. So can you prove that these small reaction time differences actually result in actual behaviours?
Yeah.
Would be the question. And that brings us on nicely to the next slide actually, which is it doesn't seem like you can. So individual studies will say from time to time that yes, IAT data do predict discriminatory behaviour. Others will say no, it doesn't. So the gold standard to see whether across the body of research whether there's an effect is to conduct what we call a meta-analysis, which is where you take all of the available evidence that is published at that time, do some fancy stats. I'm not going to go too heavy on the stats. Do some fancy stats and say overall, is there an effect of IAT scores on actual discriminatory behaviour? So this is quite a recent meta-analysis. It was published 2 years ago, and the result is that the IAT doesn't predict explicit or discriminatory behaviour any more than an explicit measure